as our only home. It is the only planet we have to inhabit for the far foreseeable future. The only planet we can confirm to harbor diverse life so far. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need. From the food we eat, the water we drink, and the shelter we live in. But sadly, it didn't provide enough to satisfy every man's greed. As human population increases, human has been taking more and more of Earth's natural resources, given that Earth's natural resources are limited. Burning of fossil fuels, pollution, deforestation, rapid industrialization, and energy use are just some of the causes and contributors to the accelerating detrimental effect of climate change. Climate change, or also known as global warming. It is a long-term change in the Earth's overall temperature with massive and permanent ramification. Climate change can be warming or cooling, regional or global. And it is also a natural event. It is going to happen no matter what we do, whether Earth warms or not. However, our human activities has been pushing climate change further and faster than nature intended, which adds enormous amount of greenhouse gases to those natural occurring in the atmosphere. And as greenhouse gases emission increase, it blankets the Earth and traps the sun's heat, leading to climate change. And humans and wildlife face new challenges for survival because of this climate change. More frequent and intense drought, storm, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming ocean can directly harm animals, destroy the place they live, and wreak havoc on people's livelihood and communities. Now we have come to the tipping point. We have actually reached the point of no return. If the majority of people were to rise up now and revolt and take control, we could stabilize climate change before it reaches a dangerous level. There are a lot of ways to lessen the effects of climate change, such as by start doing it in our homes. By adding solar panels, it can have a positive indirect effect on the environment. Or simple ways such as unplugging electronic devices when they aren't in use to reduce our carbon emissions since most of our energy comes from fossil fuels. Recycling and avoiding use of plastic can help a lot, and also using less vehicles and start walking. It creates less noise, less air pollution, and result in fewer emissions that are warming the atmosphere. So let us open our ears to the multitudes who are demanding change. Let us open our eyes to the imminent threat facing us all. Let us open our minds to the unanimity of the science. There is no time and no reason to delay. We have the tools, we have the science, we have the resources. We are the cause and can be the solution.